India's longest sea bridge, which is under construction in Mumbai, crossed a major milestone this week. The Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link, also known as the Sewri Nhava Sheva Trans-Harbour Link, is 21.8 kilometer long. This is a bridge across the Thane Creek that will connect the upscale South Mumbai to the satellite city of Navi Mumbai.
India's longest sea bridge, the 21 plus kilometers Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link is under construction, and if you see in the vicinity there, that is of course the pillars, and more than 60% of the work on this project has been completed. But today what we are going to witness is the launch of the first orthotopic steel deck, which is of course high pressurized steel, and this is of course being used to also maintain the navigation channel for ships and boats that also use this harbour. So obviously this is a massive project in every sense of the term. It's of course a project that's been in the works for many years, and finally it's taking shape physically, and it will be open to commuters by the end of 2023, which will cut a journey of more than 2 hours into just 20 minutes or so. Joining me now is of course the minister who's been pushing for these projects to be completed on time, Mr. Eknath Shinde. सर, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, ये प्रोजेक्ट्स टाइम पे कंप्लीट करना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और ये जिम्मेदारी आपके ऊपर है. आज एक महत्वपूर्ण दिन है, क्या हो रहा है और आगे आने वाले दिनों में इस तेज़ी से काम आगे बढ़ेगा?
आज यहाँ पर ऑर्थोट्रॉपिक स्टील डेक ये लॉन्चिंग हो रहा है. ये सेवड़ी न्हावा शेवा जो MTHL है, ये यहाँ पर 22 किलोमीटर का, ये पूरे राज्य में नहीं पूरे देश में ये सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट ये सीलिंग है. और यहाँ पर जो ट्रैवल करेंगे लोग, आज 2-2.5 घंटे लगते हैं. अभी इससे ये कंप्लीट होने के बाद 20 से 25 मिनट में लोग वहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे और काफ़ी लोगों की फ्यूल सेविंग होगा, समय की सेविंग होगा और पोल्यूशन फ्री, ट्रैफिक फ्री यहाँ पर लोग ट्रैवल करेंगे. बहुत बड़ा गेम चेंजर प्रोजेक्ट है. कोविड होते हुए भी यहाँ पर जो शेड्यूल है, शेड्यूल के मुताबिक हम लोग का काम शुरू है और काफ़ी कम से कम यहाँ पर 10,000 लोग काम कर रहे हैं. 10,000 पीपल आर वर्किंग हियर. और यहाँ पर कोविड का जो हम लोग देखा है उसको भी फेस कर रहे हैं, बल्कि वो होते हुए भी हम लोग ऑन टाइम जा रहे हैं, शेड्यूल के मुताबिक जा रहे हैं.
I also have with me Mr. Srinivas, who's the chairman of the MMRDA. Sir, I'd like to ask you, so this is a mega project, mega in every sense. And I remember the last time we came here, you said this will happen in the first week of January, and you met that schedule. One question that Mumbaikars have: when will they be able to cut that 3-hour journey to 20 minutes like you promised?
Yes, this will be, we are trying to open this MTHL by end of the next year, as I said last time, and October 2023 to December 2023. So next year definitely it should be open to public. That is our target now. Yes.
So, and could you tell us a little bit about the launch of the first orthotopic steel deck?
This is the first time we are doing it in the country's construction history. So these steel decks are of about weight, if I may say, put it about 800 tons to 1200 tons, and a span ranging up to 180 meters. So these are manufactured in different countries like Japan, Korea, Taiwan, etc. and Vietnam. As I speak to you, about 8 to 10,000 workers are on this project as we speak. And secondly, we are trying to target to finish it at the end of next year, this project. And catch-up plan includes multiple workings, multiple parallel workings. At the same time, using it 24/7, 365 days. That is how we are trying to do.
So the first orthotopic steel deck has finally been launched. This is of course a milestone in this project. The Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link will connect the satellite city of Navi Mumbai to the island city of Mumbai. This bridge across the harbour, across the Thane Creek, connecting Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. And of course this is a major infrastructure project, one of the largest infrastructure projects in the country that has been in the making for many years, many plans later finally taking shape in the form of the Mumbai Trans Harbour Link. With camera person Rajendra Dhalkar at the MTHL site, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.